You'll see for here that make myself.
Still have it all those. Just reiterating my earlier request if we could please have some rain. Over to Timmy B ASAP, as soon as possible. Very much appreciated. Thank you. Timmy B, I've asked for some rain. For you, where you are. It's known where you are, it's known. It's Saturday night here, Saturday evening. I don't know, maybe it's 6 o'clock, something like that. Towards the end of July, I'm led to accept. I want to say it's 28th, but I don't know. But either way, should be rain on the way soon, bro. Yeah, what's up? It's 18:02 on the 25th. Have my face. It's 25th. 25th of July. Not the 28th. I was wrong. Made a mistake. I did just guess it, but I made it up as I went along. I was very close. The time turns out I was actually spot on with the time. It's taken me a couple minutes to talk myself into doing this bit just to accurately portray the event some more. It was real. Yeah, it was in my mind. Everything is. And outside of it too. Up. What's up? You have rain soon, Timmy. Up. Cheers.